Are you excited to find one-of-a-kind parts for your Chevy Cruze? Visit supercruises.com to make your ride even better. Hi, welcome to Dave's World. My name is Jerilyn. As most of you know, I'm Dave's wife. He actually is injured, but we still have a car to build for the Cruze community, so we're going to be working on Black Widow today. I want to check to see what code we have in the computer. So the code is P059F. We have to now figure out what that means. So we know what the problem is. We removed the active shutters in the grill to install the intercooler system. I already know what the problem was. We received a care package from Bad News Racing. This is a fuel pump module. It's going to fix the problem, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I already removed the panel. If you want to do so, you're going to need this tool. The link is in the description in order for you to buy it. The modular is located right here. So what you're going to want to do is pull the red, push this gray, and flick the black lever back. This fuel module from Bad News Racing has special programming in it to give the car more power and also get rid of the shutter problem. So now I'm going to check to see if the check engine light is off, but I'm not going to leave the car running for long because I still have to do a tune-up. And there is no check engine light. The next thing I'm going to do is a tune-up, and the spark plugs in the coil are located right under this cover. The reason why I'm changing the spark plugs is because we're getting a new tune from B&R and we need to get more spark for the horsepower. The spark plugs that you need for this car have to have a 0.025 gap, which is this section right here. And we're going to take this tool and measure to make sure that it's a 0.025 gap, and it is, so now we can install them. So I just checked the gap on the old spark plugs, and it's a 0.040, which is almost double of what you need, or double of what the car needs. And I diagnosed this car. I said to Dave, something's wrong. I'm pretty sure it needs a tune-up, and luckily I was correct. So now I'm going to look at each of the spark plugs, make sure they're all the same gap before we put them in. And we're good. This is a torque wrench. I always use a torque wrench whenever I'm changing spark plugs. What it's going to do is click when it gets to the right spec. So it seems like this worked because before doing this, the car used to shutter a lot while in idle. I hope you like this new style of video. I'm going to be running Super Cruises now. Don't forget to check out the website supercruises.com. It seems that everything we did today, the car is working the right way. The reason why we did the fuel module and the tune-up today is because the car has more horsepower, and we wanted the engine to be able to support that horsepower. I hope you like the new style videos that I'm going to be posting for the Super Cruises website and the Dave's World YouTube channel. Comment below with what you think and have a nice day.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.